Hey guys, what's going on? Charlie here. Bit of good news for you regarding GameStop and AMC. We had an update to the FINRA report finally. As you can see here, today was the last updated date. And this is FINRA's website. To get here, just go to finra-markets.morningstar.com. Type in the security you'd like to look at. In this example, we're using AMC and GameStop. Come here to the shareholders tab, and then we're going to scroll down to the bottom so you guys can take a look. So for AMC, our funds have increased by 2.5 million shares, making for 7.56% of the float being held by the top 10. Now institution, 39 million shares were added, making up nearly a third of the float. You guys should be very excited about this. We now have 126.6 million shares held by institutions. That is a very, very large change in position size, something to definitely keep an eye on. And something I wanted to bring up as well about Fidelity's probability calculator. I made a video last week, got a lot of mixed feelings about it. A lot of people forgot to realize that it's not me that is projecting these numbers. It is Fidelity's defaulted graphs for both of these stocks. Now take a look at the institutions here for AMC. Fidelity is not a top 10 institutional investor for AMC. If we go to GameStop, and we take a look at their situation, Fidelity is a number 2 and number 4 top investor as far as institutions are concerned for GameStop. So keep that in mind. As far as the institutional ownership for GameStop, 192%. That is astronomical. We had another 6.1 million shares added since last time. For the funds, nearly 2 million shares added. So keep this in mind. We have 22.5% of the float held by funds, the top 10 funds, on top of 192.39% held by the top 10 institutions, and that's not including insiders and retail. So, yeah. So we got Fidelity as a number 2 and number 4. They're not in AMC, at least in the top 10. But regardless, there doesn't seem to be any confirmation bias regarding these two stocks because they have them both projected astronomical. And it is based on the volatility percentage. I get that. But again, whatever formula they're using, this was the number that it defaulted to. So as you can see, the graph has changed since the last time I made a video about this calculator. The ceiling has been reduced a little bit, as we could expect. Not such a great week last week. So I just wanted to show you guys that it does change. That was not a one-time thing. It updates daily, and you can always come and check this yourself. Now, as far as GameStop, similar situation. Our ceiling last time was projected at 17,000. As you can see here, it's been reduced to, looks about 14,000. So still, very, very massive projection here. And again, volatility number was defaulted. Just want to show you guys that this is not a stagnant map. If you came and you checked it daily, it would change and update based on the numbers that are going through the market. So there you have it, guys. Institutional ownership is increasing. This should be impossible. And I hope you guys have a good rest of your weekend. I'm looking very much forward to next week. And I will see you guys there. Take it easy.